I need all of the Slurpees.
Oh my God!
This is farther than it looks.
There you go, Dan. Get it going there, Mowgli! Win that Slurpee! Oh no! Buddy! Oh no!
Welcome to the Braille Christmas Wonderland. We have everything you need this holiday season, from skateboard decks to t-shirts to hoodies, even a water bottle and ornaments for your Christmas tree. We're starting this out with our annual Black Friday sale starting Wednesday, the 27th of November, up to 50% off every single thing in the shop. Go check it out. We'll see you there.
Hey you guys, we're here today for an extremely epic challenge video for a year's supply of 7-Eleven Slurpees. I know, you may be thinking, why does anyone need that? And I will answer that question by saying, why wouldn't anyone need that? We're here today with special guests, the Bustin Team. They are extremely talented, they're amazing, and I'm now gonna have them introduce themselves.
Leon
the Lion.
Yak.
Hi, I'm William Morris.
Jackson.
Clark.
Clark. And Mowgli, who's part of the Braille team. Nigel behind the camera, who's filling in for Aussie Dan. Glow Border and Uzi Dan, because I don't think he has the mental capacity to say words right now, so I'm just gonna speak for him.
Look at him.
Look at him.
Just look at him. It's like an alien back there.
So, the point of this challenge is, actually, can we get the boards real quick?
I'm Ryan Daughtridge. Bustin, early on in New York, we really wanted to make boards that could move us around the city faster. So we kind of started thinking about this concept of push boards and made these weird looking boards and got made fun of a lot for it, but eventually became known as the push board. So the idea is that they get you from point A to point B faster, longer distances, more than a mile, especially going across New York or uptown or something like that. These were the answer, and they've kind of evolved over more than a decade, I think, to be what kind of these two boards being the push board. So the premise is that they push faster than the average skateboard, and I think we're going to test that today.
Ooh. And these were the ones modeled after downhill?
No, these are modeled mostly to push.
Just for push speed.
So the platform is kind of lower to the ground.
Okay.
This one has sort of a push camber in the front that rebounds on your push foot to keep you going faster.
Yeah.
A little bit unusual, but made for a purpose.
Yeah. So these are the Bustin push boards designed specifically for pushing and speed. They're very stable, they feel smooth, and the point of this video is to take these here boards, put them to the test. So the challenge consists of starting.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you. Could you please repeat what you
Siri's
said?
trying to get in.
Did you say push boards?
Siri's excited! So the challenge starts inside of the Braille House offices. There will be a chair set up, and you will be sitting in the chair holding this push board. When I say go, the timer starts, and you must put the board on the ground and commence pushing. There is a 7-Eleven over there, approximately 1 mile away. You have to push as fast as you can on either this board or regular board, whatever board you choose. But these are probably going to be the winners because they're just much better suited for this kind of competition. You have to push all the way to that 7-Eleven, and the second you touch the door, the time stops. And the person with the fastest time, the fastest push, wins a year's supply of free 7-Eleven Slurpees. Does anyone have any questions?
Can I test the board real quick?
No, you can't test the board. No
Get
testing.
a little warm up, there, right?
Thank you. Thank you for being kind.
So I have a prediction. I have a prediction that Uzi's gonna go. He's gonna be mobbing, and he's just gonna like do something.
See, he's gonna forget that he has to keep his foot wide.
Yep, and then he's gonna
put it
kick the
close.
wheel, and
Yep.
the board's gonna go, and he's gonna go.
I 100% agree with this.
Yes, I know. It's
Sorry,
gonna
Uzi,
happen.
we love
Uzi,
you, but I feel like it's gonna happen.
This isn't me being mean to Uzi. This is me just literally pointing out the obvious fact that Uzi is very clumsy.
All right,
That's just how it is.
Let me check this out.
Go ahead and test it out.
So we can choose any board
Besides this. Okay. There are train tracks on the way too that you do have to roll over. So there are a few obstacles.
Yeah.
Oh, so you brought out a cheater board.
cheater board.
Get out of here.
The rules said any board. Don't come at me like that.
All right, so you got a penny, what is this, a nickel
Everyone.
board?
Gabe's always out for me. Let's get him.
That is true. I'm gunning for you. Just like I gunned for you in that game of skate and I came out victorious. Got him!
We got to make sure these guys know the route
Yes.
so they don't get lost.
Yes, I will explain. Do you guys need to know the walkthrough route?
No, it's right and then straight.
It's straight all the way?
Yeah.
You turn right here, and then when you get
When you hit to the corner, turn right, and then you go
all the
straight.
way down, and it's gonna be
Oh,
on the
because
right
there's
again.
another one that's like you go that, and when you get to the intersection, you go right, and there's another one right there.
All right, so what do you have here? What is this?
The Jonathan Special.
Jonathan, he just let you borrow that?
Wait, that's his? Jonathan Special.
Look at that. That's fire.
So I'm using the Jonathan Special. Hey, he sits on his wall in his office. He's got 2 of them.
And he's just letting you use it.
And he's like, here, take it. I'm like,
Dang,
yes.
that's respect right there.
Yeah.
That's respect.
Yeah.
All right, Mowgli, and what board are you going to use?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. First of all, you give him props for using a different board, but when I chose a different board, you come at me?
Yeah, it's disgraceful.
The beef between you guys.
Everyone.
Oh, wait, no,
I have to
you
prove.
can't have beef. You're vegan.
I know. But I'm using the penny board over there.
I'm letting y'all know I'm not going ham at all.
Thank you.
I'ma just go
Are
and
you going to go ham? He can't go ham either.
I'm gonna go broccoli.
You getting money? Okay, I respect that. All right.
Hey, that broccoli going to give him the gas.
The gas I need to go.
That face was so ugly.
Okay, all right, Nigel, you're up first. Uzi, you driving? Okay, the challenge begins in 3, 2, 1, go! You do be going kind of fast though. Push it, Nigel! Let's go, brother! Uh-oh, train tracks. Train tracks. Oh, wow!
Time. What time?
Keep going, Nigel!
How fast am I going?
You're only going like 10 miles an hour.
How fast?
Like 10?
10?
Yeah!
Oh, I'm a weenie.
Train tracks!
Downhill boosters. Oh my god.
Oh! Oh, ready for the timer, and now! Sir, how do you feel?
Disgusted. Let's go to home base.
So, Nigel was the very first official run. His score was it was good, but I know we can improve. No offense, Nigel. I know you weren't even trying.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna begin the time trials. What we're gonna do to add a little extra motivation is do 2 people at a time. If you want the camera time, you better skate as fast as you possibly can. We're just gonna try to pick people that will stay kind of in the same speed range so that they're pretty close. We'll have 2 timers and we'll make sure we get the times super legit. So, who would like to go next? So you've been talking a lot. You've been saying that you're gonna win the Slurpees. Is that true?
I don't know. I really want this. I need all of the Slurpees.
Respect. You ready?
Yeah, I know Jackson's really fast, but I think I'm gonna give him a run for his money.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh yeah, he's smoking.
Come on, buddy! Push! No sympathy, just going for him, huh?
He's catching up.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh, he ate it!
I knew it.
There he is.
He's going double the speed.
Oh, you ready to go? Ready, and time!
You got it, come on!
Push through! And time! Well done, competitors. Let's head back. Well, this is the battle that people want to see. This is the one. This is the one I've been waiting for all morning. Oh yeah.
I didn't expect to get called out, but
So Glow, you think you got him?
I might.
Even with the long legs.
I might get him. He might fall, that's why.
You're going against the daddy long legs. A spider.
I got him.
All right.
Uzi, you got any response to this?
Honestly, as long as I get out of this without severe road rash, I'm happy.
I should put a jacket on, honestly, because I don't want to get road rash.
It's not a bad idea. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! There you go, Dan.
This is farther than it looks.
There you go, Dan.
I'm tired.
What's your experience?
I'm tired.
Let's go, Dan.
Oh no!
This is not how far the speed is going to be down. All right, yeah. Oh. The whole door handle! And now. And now lap it for blow. Boom. That is it. That is the race right there, people. How'd that go?
His legs are way bigger than mine.
I told you. How was that? Run us through it.
It was longer than I thought. I'm more tired than I thought.
I need some beverage.
I didn't die though, so hey, it was very smooth. It would have been relaxing if I wasn't maxed out.
I'll give it to him. He's 3 inches taller than me.
Ooh, I gotta get a drink.
State your name.
Man cub.
State your name.
Leon the Lion.
Is that a shot at Leon?
Huh? What?
Man cub and he's the lion?
Hey. No.
State your name.
Yak.
Who will come out victorious? We've saved the best for last. 3 people at the same time. 2 on the push boards and 1 on the nickel cruiser.
Penny board.
Are you ready?
I'm excited.
Remember, a year's supply of Slurpees is on the line, people. Give it your all. Okay? You guys ready? Yeah. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, dang, Mogs. Get it going there, Mowgli! Let's go, boy! Win that Slurpee! Oh, no! Body! Oh, no! Oh, body! Oh, no! Be careful, careful, careful!
Walk the dog technique.
Walk the dog. Mowgli's catching up, dude. Yeah. Let's go, boy. Push it. Push it. Push it. Yeah. Let's go. Another train track.
Oh, he's going around.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, cut through, cut through, cut through.
He's going around.
Cut through. Oh, no. Oh, no. Touch the handle, touch the handle, touch the handle. And stop. No. Really? You still won?
How?
Dude, you went around and still beat us. Did you see Mowgli slam?
Yeah, I know, that was so bad. I felt bad.
Oh, man.
Is he good?
I hope so.
I hope so.
Dude, I don't know why he went on the concrete.
I gave him the board. I was like, if you want, you can skate this. But
And timer! Yeah, boy. Are you good? Oh, no.
dude, I got...
Oh, no. Wait, come in the sun, come in the sun. Oh, no.
I'm gonna feel that in the shower tonight.
Oh, no.
Dude, I swear, I don't know what happened, but for a second, because it's bouncy.
Wait,
Look.
come in the sun, come in the sun.
It's bouncy. You see this?
Oh, wow.
I felt myself go down and I just flew out of nowhere. I was like, I set myself up. Hey, it was a good battle though.
Where's
it was
Yak?
fun. He went back.
Oh, you went back?
Yeah.
Oh.
Was it the 3?
Yak forfeited.
He went back.
All right, I have the official times for everyone and the announcement of the winner. Is everyone ready? Nigel had a time of 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Will had a time of 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Jackson, 5 minutes and 1 second. Uzi, 3 minutes, 22 seconds. Glow, 3 minutes, 25 seconds. Mowgli, 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Yak, not available, turn back. And the winner of free Slurpees for an entire year is Beyond the Lion. Let's give it up to him. With this title, do you have anything to say?
Skate everything.
That's amazing. Oh, yeah, I guess I should probably say the time. This time was 3 minutes and 7 seconds.
Holy, whoa.
Yeah.
Nice.
And you went the long way too. Everyone else went on the sidewalk on that last part and just cut through.
Cut through.
You went all the way around, so you probably would have been at like
30,
like 3:02 or something like that. Impressive, impressive.
Nice.
Well, congratulations on winning Slurpees for a year.
Thank you.
Everyone else, you did fantastic. A huge thanks to Bustin' Boards for coming out, being in this video. These guys absolutely shred it, and you should definitely check them out. Link in the description below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below of what you guys would do if you had free Slurpees for an entire year. What would you do? Would you just buy them all at once, or would you just go every single day? What would you do? Leave it in the comments below.